was delicious. That was tasty and good. Oh, what is this? Why is there an I on it? I don't know. I sandwiches? What does I mean? I'm gonna ask mom. What does I mean? I'm gonna ask mom now. Okay, if you don't know what is I, it's 2. Why is it even 2 if it's letters? It's because they are Roman numerals, and Roman numerals are letters used as numbers. Are you already done? Yes, I'm done. I already know it. Ice emoji? Okay. After studying Roman numerals. Wow, Roman numerals is pretty easy. I already know it. Thank you, Mom. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna play some random stuff. Okay.